Hello there guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher Daryl Del Mundo. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let us share the blessings. So today, this topic is all about my step-by-step process on how you put your codes inside your VBA so that you will have your interactive learning materials. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see here, we have 3 questions, and let's go to the developer tab and let's add some controls over here. So it starts with question number 1. Let's put checkbox. Let's checkbox number 1, copy, and then paste, and therefore that's checkbox number 2. Although checkbox number 1, that's only the caption, but it's checkbox number 2. And then go to the properties, then edit, do some edit if you want to change the font style, the font size, and even the font color. So you can go to the properties. And you can also change the alignment, so it can be on the right side, the left side, or at the middle. And change the caption. Aside from checkbox 1, you can change the caption, look for the caption. Then another one, change font style, font size, and then font color. Change the caption to false. There you go. Then I wanted to make it red. Okay. So those are the first things that you need to do. And then let's go to question number 2. Let's insert some command button over there. Okay, there you go, command button. And then let's change. When you double click it, the VBA window will pop up, so do not double click it. Just one click and then go to the properties and change the caption. Click here, then type your answer. So when they're going to click it, another pop out, another prompt will come out, and then you type your answer there. So you can just again edit it. You can edit it in the properties window. Then let's have the 3rd and 4th question. Okay. Let's insert command button again. So this is for you to check what you will type inside the text box. Okay. Then edit. You can change also the color of the button. Change the caption, edit the font style, the font size, and so on. Okay, after you change the font color, the style, or even you can change again what I said, the color of the button, you can now copy and paste it. But when you copy and paste it, it is not the same command button. So the first one will be always the command button number 1. When you paste it, although the caption name command button number 1, but that is only the caption. The real name of that button is command button number 2. Okay, so that you will not be confused. Now let's insert the text box. That is text box number 1. When you copy, and then when you're going to paste it, that's text box number 2. Okay. Text box number 3, and then you can add like text box number 3, 4, 5, something like that. But first, let's make the coding right now. You can type there message box, then special character, very good, and that's for the prompt. Okay, so that will be the prompt message that will pop out when you check the true box, and then when you check the false box. Okay, MSG box, special character, then sorry, try it again, that's for false. So when they click it, that will be the message. Now in question number 2 for the before that, let's check it. Okay, see, very good. And then let's try to check false. There you go. Let's go back, and you can now proceed to question number 2. Double click it, then the VBA window. Much better that you have your sets and lists of codes so that you will not be confused and it will not be hard for you to memorize all the codes. So see to it that you have in your, like mine, I have it in my notepad. So you can have it in your notepad, you can have it in your PowerPoint or in your Word and save it. Okay, so I'm going to copy paste it, then you will just edit it. Okay, this is for the prompt that you will have your note, and at the same time you will type there the answer. Okay, so if I is equal to cell, okay, then message box, you are correct. Am I clear? So just modify it, something like that. Okay, now let's try it. Click, and then that's the prompt, and then type the answer, then okay, you are correct. See, easy breezy, right? Let's go to the text box and the check button. Let's go again to your codes and then copy, and then paste it over there, then modify it. So if I is equal to text box number 1, meaning to say the command button is pertaining to text box number 1. Okay, if what you type inside the text box is this answer, then when you check it with the check button, the prompt says you are correct. Okay, you can also change the font style, font size, and font color, whatever you type inside the text box. Okay, via properties. Okay, so I'm editing it right now. See there? Okay. And also the other side, the same process. Oh, take note, do not double click the text box, only the command button, because that is, you're going to click to check the text box, not the text box. Text box is only for the input of your answer. Okay, modify. Do not forget to modify the answer, or else when your student will type whatever inside the text box or the answer inside the text box, oh no, maybe their answer will be wrong. And at the same time, be sure that if you're going to type all capital letters, be sure it is included in the direction. Or if you're going to write the answer in the lowercase, then that's it. Do not forget to save also here your codes. Save your codes here, and save your documents there. Okay, your PowerPoint. Because some of the codes are being erased. Okay, so see to it that you always type and save your code and save. So when you type the answer, check that's correct. Click the text box, then type your answer to check, then you are correct. See, it's very easy. So when you lack something, for example, a wrong spelling, you lock letter S, sorry, wrong answer. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Be sure that what you input in the codes, if it is all capitalized, please include it in your direction. See, then it's correct. Because it's like input, process, then your output. There you go. And right at this moment, I will teach you how to activate the drag behavior. It's like drag and drop behavior of the text box. Okay. So this is a drag behavior. Then go to number 1. Instead of 0, go to number 1 so that you enable the drag and drop to this text box. Also, let's insert another text box and let's change the color of the text box. Sorry, and copy and paste it. There you go. Let's activate the drag behavior. Choose one. And do it with the other one. So when you show it, there you go. Double click it, highlight, then drag and drop. Highlight, then drag and drop. Okay? So those 4 text boxes are now enabled to drag and drop your answer. And then you can check it. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Again, this is your teacher Daryl Del Mundo. And right at this moment, I will teach you how to properly save your PowerPoint presentation with codes. Okay, because some of the codes will not work if you did not save it in a proper way. So go to the file and then save as. Then you can see there the title, right? Change the title, whatever title it is. And then under it, you will see there the drop button. Okay, drop it and then look for the PPTM, meaning to say macro enabled, or the PPTMS for the macro enabled show. You need to enable the macro because the macro will run your VBA or your codes. Then save it. Then there you go. Thank you. God bless.